When I talk with brands, especially brands that are growing, you'd be surprised how often I hear the same kind of question, which is, I need to understand the why at scale. And that's what Field Agent does. We can actually give you scale across virtually every type of zip code and retail location you can imagine, but more importantly, we give you the why. And that's really the intrinsic value of the data that we provide. Anyone can give you transactions, but we provide the why. When talking with brands that are growing, especially those at scale, often think of this Gartner piece of research that said that 64% of consumers are really more focused on the customer experience at retail, driving their purchase decision even over price. And so that's been a really interesting thing for Field Agent to come alongside them to give kind of eyes into that experience. So imagine having 2 million of your core consumers, even 100,000 of your core consumers that could answer a question for you today at near real time so that you're getting information back before your meeting is over. It's no longer your opinion. It's not data from a survey that's a year old. It's real data happening in near real time, all at your fingertips. That's what Field Agent does day in and day out, and that's how we come alongside and help you win at retail. Speed comes up time and time again. I mean, it's obvious when you engage with Field Agent. Scale is there, the work that we do, the quality, but the speed is so important. We know that we're making decisions today and things are changing on the shelf as we speak. And it happens regardless of the channel of retail that you're engaging in or the type of product or the category that you participate in. So we know that those near real-time decisions have to happen. So the scale that we provide is one thing, but the speed can be game-changing for a brand, especially those that have limited time on the shelf, limited time for a promotion, or it's just prior to that buyer review when you have to come in and an aligned review and talk about your products. Having data that might be hours or day old is one thing, but the speed at which we can do that is pretty amazing. There are times that we're engaging with one of our key clients and that we've all faced the same thing, which is being overwhelmed with data. Spreadsheet data, Excel, etc. But now imagine not only 2,000 or 3,000 lines of data, but now I've got 2,000 or 3,000 photos. It can be absolutely overwhelming. So what we provide is our Premium View dashboard. So not only do we capture that data that you can push out into a spreadsheet and you can drop it into your own system and you can go drive any type of analysis you want, but many of our clients are looking for just give me a simple dashboard so that I can cut, sort, pull things in to really understand what's happening across channel, location, a specific item. And Premium View dashboard really does that for our clients. We're known for scale and speed. But what's also has been kind of interesting, it's not just at a brick and mortar retail box. It spans from quick serve restaurants to bodegas, whatever it may be, the club channel. It's really any place that's a public domain that someone is engaging with a product or a service. We come alongside and provide at scale that why behind the data. Oftentimes I get asked the question, Rick, what is an example of the why or the scale or the virtual store walk that you keep mentioning? This past, 2 weeks ago, we captured 60,000 planograms across multiple retailers here in the US. I mean, think about that. 60,000 planograms, multiple retailers. And not only is that a large data dump, but more importantly, because of the AI machine we have behind of it and that Premium View dashboard that we put together, we bring that to life. It's really cool when you see it and you've got that data at your fingertips. So you want to learn more about scale and speed and the why behind a virtual store walk, go to fieldagent.net, ask for a demo, ask for more information then. We'd love to come alongside and bring our data to life.